project.
Now, as I am applying the pressure on this syringe, the resultant pressure will be on this arm. See, this arm is moving in the clockwise direction, and as I am pulling the syringe back, it will move in the anti-clockwise direction. It is of the syringe 1. Now syringe 2. Now syringe 3. It will become the dirt or anything mud but now of the claw. You can see the pressure applied is directly proportional to the pressure or the movement of the arm.
Thanks for watching our video.